Unity creates strength, especially when the contribution of all is needed. Take for example the housing sector and its currently inefficient use of available resources. Initiatives that make it more sustainable are in place. With the case of the EU-funded project HOUSEFUL, it designs and implements innovative circular solutions that enhance the co-management of waste, water, energy and material resources in buildings. But can such initiatives have an impact if not all of us do our part for their uptake in society? Let's say you're an architect or a member of a construction company. Why not rethink your standard linear work approach and include circular solutions in your buildings to be at the forefront of new trends in building design and simultaneously help the environment? Let's say you're a policymaker. You have the power and responsibility to facilitate the adoption of circular solutions in the housing sector by implementing new policy strategies that not only protect our planet, but also pave the way for new business opportunities. And of course, we cannot forget the citizens. Yes, you. Do you know that HOUSEFUL has been designed with you in mind? You can take part in the development of HOUSEFUL solutions and adopt them at home or at work. So whether you're a professional or a citizen, take action and participate in HOUSEFUL workshops by putting forward your ideas and concerns to make your buildings more circular and sustainable. Your support is needed to safeguard the environment, and in unison, we create strength.